Hey, so today is my, we'll call it mental peace day. I am out here hanging out. You can kind of see the trailhead behind me. We're here at the historic Railroad Tunnels Trail. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite places, and I can't wait to see what the day has in store. So if you've looked up the historic Railroad Tunnels Trail, you know a couple of things. One is that it is actually out by Lake Mead, which is this beautiful water behind me. Sadly, it is sinking rapidly. But not only does it have, of course, the tunnels, which we've talked about, and I've shown you a couple, but it also has all of these beautiful, you can see them behind me, these like cuts in the rock, these little side trails. There's a ton of different places to explore. You could really spend the entire day out here. So we're getting ready to head into another tunnel. I figured I'd take you along, show you what it looks like. See, those tunnels are pretty cool, right? They were actually blasted out when they were making the Hoover Dam, and there's 5 of them. So this trail goes all the way out to the Hoover Dam or the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. It's got the tunnels, it's got Lake Mead, it's got pretty much everything, which is why it's quickly becoming one of my favorites. Now I'm gonna be back out here and I'm going to the dam next weekend. So I think this time it's time to turn around, head back, but I'll see you again in just a week. Thank you guys for joining me. Hopefully we'll get some more and I'll get you guys out here too.